Day's trends. In this video, we will do current affairs on coronavirus. Which country cancelled the cycle race tournament due to coronavirus? Cycle race has to held in France, that is cancelled due to the coronavirus. Which state has used Ayurvedic medicine for coronavirus treatment? For the coronavirus treatment, Ayurvedic medicines has used by the Goa state government. Which country has postponed 44th meeting of UNESCO World Heritage Committee? That is postponed by the China country because 44th meeting has to be held by the UNESCO on the World Heritage. So it has cancelled due to the coronavirus. Which state government has made record in food distribution during COVID-19 disease? That record is made by the Uttar Pradesh government as its population is also more and dependent on food granaries persons are also more. So Uttar Pradesh government has made this record in the distribution of food and granaries. Which country has started two mass delivery home to home? It is started by the Japan. Japan government is distributing free of cost two to mass to each home. Who prepared air evacuation pod COVID-19 patient? Air evacuation pod, that is kind of a spacecraft that is prepared by the Indian Navy to uplift by the air to the patients. So it is done by the Indian Navy. Which state government has started e-Sanjeevani OPD for COVID-19 patient? E-Sanjeevani OPD has started by Himachal Pradesh government for COVID-19 patients. Who has started COVID-19 Indian Service Portal? Indian Service Portal is started by our Health Ministry. Indian Health Ministry has started a portal to serve the COVID-19 patients. Which state government has declared corona-free patients? That corona-free patient state is declared only Goa. And in Goa, who are the suspected cases of COVID-19? That treatment, they have taken treatment, Ayurvedic treatment, and by that only the cure was there. So only Goa that is declared corona-free patients. Which state government has started IU and Sehat Sarthi app, or we can say Age and Health Friend app? This app is started by the Rajasthan government. As you know, in Rajasthan, it was a very critical condition of the COVID-19 patient, but they have cure it and remove almost, we can say, from the Bhilwara, that is a district of Rajasthan. Very critical condition they have faced. Now the situation is under control in Rajasthan. Which city police has banned on coronavirus jokes? On coronavirus jokes, Pune police, that is banned only. In the Pune city, that is banned by the police, that no one is allowed to joke on the coronavirus. In which city HCL Tech has opened the COVID-19 control center? That is open in the Noida city to control the COVID-19 patients and to watch out the COVID-19 patient. HCL Tech has started this center. How much salary reduction from MP salary has announced by Cabinet Ministry for 1 year? 30% salary reduction for MP salary has announced by the Cabinet Ministry for 1 year. Which state government has declared to make masks in prison? That is declared by the Tamil Nadu government. By the Tamil Nadu government, masks are prepared in the prison only. To apply coronavirus tracking tool in all smartphones, Google has partnership with which company? That is Apple. By the Apple company and Google, Both will implement the coronavirus tracking tool in all smartphones. Which state government has started plasma therapy trial for COVID-19 patient? Plasma therapy trial has started by Kerala government for the COVID-19 patients.